Welcome back, my dear beloved brothers and sisters. I came here to make videos because of learning purpose. I'm an English learner. That's why every day I try to speak before the public. Yeah, I have to be a public speaker. That's why I'm making videos here. If you want to speak English fluently, at first you have to remove your shyness. Every day I try to remove my shyness. That's why it's very important for me. And not only for me, who are they want to speak English, and if you want to be a good speaker, at first you have to remove your shyness. It's very important part for a public speaker. That's why I'm making videos here. Dear brothers and sisters, um, I'm improving every single day, and I try to speak before the public place. Yeah, one of my brother, he said, if you want to speak English, you have to be a traveler. You have to travel every where or every moment. After that, you will be a good speaker. That's why I'm trying every single day to speak before the public. Yeah, and a respectful teacher and my dear beloved brothers and sisters and wise guests every day inspiring me. That's why I took responsibility. I have to be a public speaker. And yeah, I'm improving day by day. It's another good news for me. Yeah, everything I'm doing because of you. Because for the reason that you are inspiring me every single day. That's why I'm getting response from everyone. That's why I try to speak at this moment little bit anywhere, not only before any place, before any people. Yeah, if you try, you will be able to speak a public place. Remember one thing, I'm not teaching you, I'm sharing with all of you because it's very important for beginner and learner. I'm also learning, that's why I would like to share with you about this matter. Yeah, I would like to share with you. I saw many motivational videos who are they gave motivation. Yeah, one of brother he said, if you want to speak English, you have to make videos. You have to record yourself. After recording, you can watch again and again. If you watch, you will be able to catch the mistake where you doing the mistake. If you make videos every single day, one day you will be a good speaker. That's why I'm trying to make videos every single day, and I took my decision. Yeah, I have to be a good speaker, and day by day I'm improving. It's a very good opportunity for me. And that's why I invited all of you who are they want to speak English, and if you want to learn English, you have to make videos every single day. Yeah, when you will make videos, after that if you watch, you will be able to catch where you doing the mistake. That's why it's my special request for everyone, please record yourself and listen again and again, and best of luck for everyone.